How to fix Uber Eats promo not applied. Hey there, welcome back to our channel. So here's a guide to help you fix the Uber Eats promo code problems and it's not applied. So the common reason may be the expired or used code. So promo codes expires or can be used once only. So the solution is to check the code's expiration date in the app. For that, you need to go to account and then go to promotions. Active codes are at the top and expired ones are below. It can also be due to eligibility problems. So some codes are only for new users, specific areas, or require a minimum order. So read the promo's terms to make sure that you qualify. And the code might also be active on your account but not used at checkout. So go to promotions in the app to see if the code is still there and it should automatically apply when you order. And the app might also have a glitch. So restart the Uber Eats application. Try clearing the cache by simply holding onto it. Tap on the eye icon in the top and then scroll down and go to bit storage. Tap on clear cache. A payment method linked to many accounts can also cause problems. So try a different payment method like New Card or PayPal and other payment methods available. And Uber Eats might not allow promotions for account sharing info like phone numbers or payment method. So make sure that your account info is unique, and if needed, create a new account with a different email or phone number and payment method. Last but not least, try updating the app. Use the newest version of the Uber Eats application using your Play Store or App Store according to your device. Search for Uber Eats, and if you see an update button over there, simply tap on it to update it to its latest version. Also try logging out and logging back in, which can fix minor problems. And if nothing works, you can contact the Uber Eats support. So that's it for the video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.